everyone, welcome back to Autobright Direct, coming to you today with another product information video on Clearview. Now Clearview is our superior glass polish as opposed to a glass cleaner. What this means is a polish is going to give you a deeper clean, going to get rid of all those dirt, oil and grime off your glass and get it ready for a coating. Now Clearview comes in two different sizes. It comes as a 500ml bottle and also as a 5 litre. Now when we apply Clearview, we use a microfibre applicator. So in our case, we've got one of our muscle applicators from the Halshine range. Small amount onto your applicator, worked into the glass. It's a low powder product, so you're not going to get a lot of dust or anything from it like you do with some glass polishes. Buff that off and then that is your glass ready for coating. So let's take some of our Clearview through to the detailing bay and we'll give you a quick demonstration. So as we said in the introduction, what we're going to do is we're going to apply a small amount of our Clearview to a microfibre applicator. In our case here we've got the muscle, so what we'll do is we'll just put 3 little pea-sized amounts onto the applicator, and then what we're going to do is, like you were hand polishing, spread that product out over the glass, and then we're just going to use little circular motions just to work the product into the glass. Medium pressure, push on a little bit more if you want to, if there are any little stubborn marks that won't come off. What you want to do is you want to work that until, like with a polish, it's virtually disappeared. You shouldn't get any kind of dust off this. If you are getting dust, then use a little bit less product. So we've worked that in now, and then we're going to grab one of our Guv'nor buffing towels and we're just going to buff that off to a nice finish. Now this is the ideal product to use if you're going to be applying something like our Ghost Rider or Repel to your window, because it makes sure you've got rid of all the grease, all the oils, all the contaminants, and ensures you will have the best bond possible to the glass surface. There we go. So that is our Clearview Superior Glass Polish. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.